Today, I wish to pray for everyone's good health, safety, and positivity during these uncertain times. We must make best of our situation in every possible way. This unique app that I'm introducing today caters to the most important segment of our society, the elderly people. This app caters to people who are aged 50 years and above to promote good health, positivity, and keeps them engaged in unique, fun ways. Welcome to the 30th episode of my channel, Technology Traveler, staying healthy in lockdown. So this is the app that I downloaded from Android Play Store, Evergreen Club. Like I always say, the app, we should always confirm that it is Play Protect for our device's security. Now anyway, when I click on this, it shows current date and schedule and all. Let's just go to the bottom bar. As you can see, there are events. Then if you go to the next, there is blogs. Then you go to the first one, which is profile. This is the part that you have to set first. So if you click on my interests, you can click on whatever interests you have, whether you have art and craft or workshops or singing, or you would just like, a brain quiz or something. At least 3 categories. So I have selected art and craft, quiz, learning. Then I have selected fitness, health. If you are interested in games, then games also. Singing also. I have included almost everything. So just click save. Now this is how you have set your interests. Based on your interests, when you click on my sessions, so the current plan is a free pack, and the start date it's showing, it's starting from today up till the end of the month. So there are 50 sessions which are free of cost along with a trainer. So for the various interests that you would have chosen, if you click on my plan will just show the type of plan. For now I have gone in for the free pack. So it's showing the number of sessions and my start date and also the end date. And as a new member, you will have access to 25 sessions of your choice for free. You can choose from a variety of events listed on the home page, games, quizzes, discussions, like I said. And on booking an event, one session will be automatically deducted from your account. Let's go to the best part, which is the events. Now, when I click on next, it's showing all these events based on the interests which I have entered. There is event of pranic healing, twin hearts, meditation. If I choose this event, there are 50 seats in this event and it's completely free. As you can see, there's yoga for better sleep, cooking session, Zumba, so simple chair exercises for spondylitis, Bollywood dance class. All of these are free. There's a quiz on music, open table, your favorite food or desserts. You can book a session. There are riddles, brain exercise, memory games, dance therapy, Bharatnatyam dance class. So many things there are. There's gardening. So let's say if I just go into the simple chair exercise for spondylitis. Here for tomorrow, for 60 minutes, it's going to be, the session is conducted in Hindi as it says, but it is sold out. So you can add to the wait list, and it also talks about the event. Like it says, spondylitis is a common term, refers to an age-old related wear and tear of the spinal disc, and this chair exercise, which is simple and very effective, helps with all this. And you can click on book session if you find seats free. Now if I click on Zumba, there you can see that there are slots available for May, for 2nd May, for 3rd May and so on. You can book a session. So once you book a session, just 10 minutes before the session, you will get a reminder on your email and also through this app. So if there's any elderly person in your house and you download this app, so they will get a notification within their app of every session. So happily they will be engaged in things of their choice. Generating, not only does this make them positive and engaged, actually leads to a lot of health benefits. The app currently engages activities in English and Hindi, and you can choose between the two. Once you see the benefits of these events, then you might want to subscribe and pay for the sessions thereon. If I go into the pranic healing one, which I've heard a lot of reviews about, so it's a modern pranic healing, and it uses techniques based on the universal law of nature to balance and heal the human energetic field. One of its derivatives is this meditation on twin hearts. So they say that this is something like taking a spiritual shower, and then there's some information about the coordinator for this event. Over and above these events, one can also then click on the blogs. When you click on the blog section, so it shows today's reads. You might say that this information is available even through Google, but here the information is coming specific to your interests and through valid experts, which makes it more interactive. And following these blogs, there are also Zoom sessions which are optional to attend, which are very popular, where there are like-minded people from all across different paths, and then they share thoughts within that Zoom session along with the coordinator who organizes the same. There is an open mic, Seniors Got Talent. You can also give a performance. There's stock market, musical evening with Evergreen and Antakshari, and there's also bhajan. So if you just want to engage in bhajan, therapies of different kinds, very unique and user-friendly app.
It has been proven scientifically that if we practice something for 21 days, it then becomes a habit. Simple but very important healthy habits include breathing exercises, water intake and such. In my next episode, I will review an app that shows us the smart way to stay healthy. Interested in such a tech update? Subscribe and stay tuned. See you soon.